by yourself.
We sleep in the crib.
Yeah. Mom and Dad are going to be right next door. Yeah. What do you think, honey? What do you think?
Yeah, you gonna go to sleep? Are you gonna go to sleep?
Oh, he's so pretty.
Yeah.
What you looking at?
I know, I wish I
What
had
you
his
looking at?
eyes. They're so pretty.
His eyes are gorgeous.
Yes.
Big blue eyes. Yeah. Yeah. I agree totally. I agree totally. Yeah.
Oh, so much to say today.
James. Good job. Direct hit.
He needs like the battleship sound. I bet we'll play Battleship. That'll be fun.
Battleship is fun. Your dad used to like Battleship.
Yeah.
We used to play Battleship in the airport.
Really?
When one more delay was going on. Yeah, it was a way to get people talking. I tell you, that was fun. Called Battleship.
Oh.
We're gonna have to teach Yudi how to play Battleship.
Get your wiggles out before we go home.
Yeah.
I was hoping he could get his wiggles out.
Yeah.
Get him out.
Play.
Wiggle, wiggle. Oh. Oh. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Let's get all your energy out. Oh. There you go. There you go.